Hello, my name is Jeena Sharma. I came to BSc, British School of Etiquette, 5 days back. I came for trainer program, and apart from the technical aspect of etiquette, I have learned so many things which has enhanced my confidence and helped me to make a better version of myself. I will use this amazing experience when I go back to my home country to educate youngsters, teenagers, even the elders. It was not only about the etiquette, business etiquette, or the social etiquette, but the public speaking, how to motivate people. It's not just about teaching, it's motivating people how to leave an everlasting impact in their lives. So it was far beyond just the learning. I really am thankful to my parents and God that I came to the right place. Thank you.